Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to add social media links to your YouTube channel. Open your favorite browser. Go to youtube.com. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Select the Google account you want to use. If you are signing in for the first time, you may be asked to enter your email address, enter your password and click next. You are signed in to your YouTube account. Now click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the page. Select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. You will be redirected to your channel dashboard page. Now in the left sidebar, click on Customization option. Scroll down to Link section. Click on the Add Link button. Now you need to add the title and URL of your social media sites. We have already made a list of all our social media sites in a notepad document. We will just copy and paste it here. After adding all your social media links, click on the Publish button at the top right corner of the page. That's it, changes has been applied. Now go to your channel page to view the changes. This is how you can add social media links to your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.